An apple pie for your dinner. Would you like to make your own apple pie? Here's how. It's easy as pie. To make your apple pie crust, you will need 2 cups of white flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons softened butter, 6 tablespoons shortening, 4 tablespoons cold water. To make your dough, in a large bowl, mix the flour, salt and sugar. Add the butter and shortening and work with your fingers to make a mixture that looks like coarse meal. Add a few tablespoons of water one at a time so the mixture becomes stiff enough to pat into a ball. Sprinkle the ball with extra flour, wrap it in plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes. With a grown-up's help, heat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To make your yummy apple pie filling, you will need 6 Granny Smith apples, not purple plums, fluffy feathers, sweet-smelling flowers, a gold coin, or a small brown dog. 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons white flour, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons butter cut into small chunks. Ask a grown-up to help you peel, core and slice your apples. Set aside. In a large bowl, blend the sugars, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg and salt. Add your sliced apples to the bowl and mix until they are well coated. Now put your pie together. Ask a grown-up to help you cut the ball in half. With a rolling pin, roll out 1/2 of the dough until it's shaped like a large thin pancake. If the dough sticks to the rolling pin, add more flour. Set your pancake into a greased pie pan and press the dough to the bottom and sides. The dough should overlap the rim. Poke holes in the dough with a fork so steam can escape as the pie cooks. Pour the coated apples into the pan. If there's any coating left over, sprinkle it on top of the apples. Scatter the butter chunks on top of the filling. You're almost done. Roll out the rest of your dough. Set it on top of the apples so that its edge meets the edge of the bottom dough. Pinch the edges of your dough together. Ask a grown-up to help you cut small slits in the top with a knife. This will let the steam escape. Now it's time to bake. Ask a grown-up to put your pie in the oven. Set the timer for 50 minutes. Check your pie often. When the crust is golden and the juice is bubbling through the slits, it's ready. Ask a grown-up to take it out. Let it cool for 1/2 hour. Hooray! You did it! You just made your very own apple pie. Do you know the next step? Yes, eat every last crumb.